Okay, these are the kind of sums the division of fractions will have. There is no need to get worried at all when you look at the division sign. I'll just show you one easy step and all this will be a piece of cake, trust me. Now, whenever there is a division sign, you know the first step, what you have to do? This is division. In the next step, instead of the division sign, you will put a multiplication sign exactly. So what I'm going to do is copy 35 upon 48 exactly as it is. Instead of this division sign, put multiplication and then reciprocal this. Reciprocal means write it exactly in the inverted form. So instead of 21 upon 16, I am going to say 16 upon 21. That is it. Now we have to treat this as a multiplication. Hello all, welcome to my channel Crack It with CK. These are the topics that I plan to cover today. If at all you want to jump to one of these topics, you can use the timestamps that I've given in the description below. Also, there is a test at the end of this video, and I have also provided answers to it so that you can match your answers with those. So let us see what we have. Okay. Now, in the addition of fractions, if at all they are like fractions, the like fractions means the denominators are the same. If the denominators are the same, then what do we do? Okay, the LCM of 9 and 9, which is 9 only, you straight away add the numerators. So 7 upon 9 is your final answer. That's it. So in addition, one thing you have to remember is you cannot add the denominators ever, never. Even if they are like, if they are unlike, you cannot add 4 plus 3 plus 8. That is not what we do in addition of fractions. We will first convert into like and then I'll show you the next sum. First step, we have to take the LCM of the denominators. Which are the denominators here? 4, 3 and 8 anyway. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 3 doesn't go by 2. What's the LCM? 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24 is the LCM of this. So what do we do now? Just make a line, write the LCM over here. Now you know what you have to do. 4 into what is 24? This 24 we have to get. 4 into 6. So what we'll do, multiply this also by 6. 3 into 8 is 24. So into 8. 8 into 3 is 24. So into 3. So basically what we are doing, whatever we need to multiply to the denominator to get this, the same thing we multiply to the numerator. So 4 6 are 24, 3 8s are 24 and 8 3s are 24. Now what do we do? Multiply these together. Don't look at the denominator at all. We have dealt with the denominator. That is it. So 1 into 6 is 6 plus 8 2s are 16 plus 3 3s are is 9. Now add them up. 31 upon 24. That's it. Now some schools will want you to convert this into a mixed fraction. You can either keep it like this or mostly you have to convert it into mixed fraction. I have taught you that also. So in this case, what is the mixed fraction going to be? 24 ones are is 24. 7 upon 24. Sum number 3. Now I'm going to do the shortcut of the LCM, which I've taught you before in the other phases of this fraction series. First, look at the largest number out of them. Which is the largest number? 12. Check whether 12 comes in the tables of all the remaining denominators. In 6, it comes, yes, 6 2s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 9, no, it does not come in 9. So go to the next multiple of 12. 12 2s is 24, okay. 24, no, it doesn't come in 9 times, so forget it. 12 3s are 36, yes. 6 into 6 is 36, 4 into 9 is 36, 9 into 4 is 36 and 12 3s is obviously 36. So the LCM is 36. Just write 36. Now we have dealt with the denominators, guys. So 6 into 6 is 36, 4 into 9 is 36, 9 into 4 is 36, 12 into 3 is 36. And now we just multiply these and ignore the denominator. Okay, 6 5s are 30 plus 9 1s are 9 plus 4 2s are 8 and 3 1s are is 3. 50 upon 36. Let us reduce this fraction to the lowest term. Okay, let us cancel, divide it by 2. 2 into 25 and 2 into 18. So 25 upon 18, again this is an improper fraction. Convert it into mix. How do you do that, guys? 18 and 25. 18 one side is 18, 7. So 1 whole 7 upon 18 is your final answer. The next topic is subtraction of fractions. Almost the same thing we have to do. Instead of addition, we will do subtraction. And one more thing, if at all both the signs are given together, plus and minus, we can follow the rules of integers and just finish it off. Okay, the very first one, again, LCM is 9 because they are like fractions. We don't need to do anything. 7 minus 4, how much is 7 minus 4? 3 upon 9. Reduce it to the lowest fraction, divided by 3. 3 into 1 and 3 into 3. 1 upon 3. Next one, these are unlike fractions. So first we need to take the LCM of which numbers? These three numbers. What is the shortcut? Which is the greatest? 8. Okay, let's see the tables of 8. 8 ones is 8, doesn't come in 3. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. Yes, 8 threes are 24. 3 eights are 24 and 6 fours are is 24. So 8 threes are 3 eights are and 6 fours are is 24. The LCM is 24. Your teachers might ask you to show the LCM, but that you have to do it. Okay, 7. Now what I'm doing, I will multiply these 1, 2 and 3 quickly. 7 threes are is 21 minus 8 ones are 8 minus 4 ones are 4. Okay, so what is 21 minus 8 is 13 minus 4 is 9. So 9 upon 24. Can this be further reduced? Yes, you can divide it by 3. 3 threes are is 9. 3 8s are is 24. So 3 upon 8 is the final answer. In the next one, there is addition and subtraction. Both signs are given. You can use integer rules and finish this off. First, they are unlike fractions. So again, I'm going to use the space up so that, we don't struggle with space. Okay, the LCM is how much? Highest number is 8. So yes, 36. 18 twos are. Yeah. 36 is the LCM. 9 fours are. 12 threes are, 18 twos are, and 4 nines are is 36. Okay, 20 plus, be very careful with the signs. 7 threes are is 21 minus 5 twos are is 10 minus 9 ones are is 9. So 20 plus 21 is 41. 41 minus 10 is 31 and 31 minus 9 is 22. 22 upon 36, we can divide it by 2. 11 upon 18 is the final answer. Okay, the next topic is multiplication of fractions. Whenever there is a multiplication sign in between the fractions, there is no need to take LCM or anything. What do? We straight away start cancellation. What is cancellation? Reducing the fractions to the lowest term. Now mind you, when we are cancelling, we have to use one numerator and one denominator as a pair. You cannot cancel in the same line. One has to be the numerator and one the denominator. Let us see what I mean by that. Okay, in the very first one, let me just zoom this a bit. I will choose 15 and 25 because both are divisible by the number 5. Okay, so this is the number I'm going to divide them by 5. So 5 into what is 15? 5 threes are 15, 5 fives are 25. The next one is 14 and 28. In 14 and 28, which is the common number that it will be cancelled by, can I divide both of them by the number 7? Yeah. 7 twos are is 14 and 7 fours are is 28. Is there any further cancellation which is possible? one up, one down. It can be anything. It can be either this, or it can be this one and this one, provided one is the numerator and one is the denominator. So yes, we have 2 and 4. I want to divide that by which number? We'll divide it by 2. Okay, 2 ones are is 2 and 2 twos are is 4. Is any further cancellation possible? It's not possible. So we straight derive to this. Multiply whatever remains. What is remaining here? 1 and 3. So we do 1 into 3 upon 5 into 2, which is 3 upon 10. Multiplication. That's 8. That is what we have to do in multiplication. In the next one, there are 4 fractions. Never mind, but what we have to do is 1 numerator, 1 denominator. Quickly, let us cancel now. I'm going to use this 5 and 15 first. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Then which is the next pair I will use? I want to do 3 and 9. 1 numerator, 1 denominator. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Then I'm going to use 4 and 16 because both are divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Any other cancellation possible? Yes. Which one? 6 and 8, or 6 and 3, or 6 and 2. Both have a common number by which it can be divided. We can choose anything that we want. I'm going to choose 3 and 6. Which one I'm using? 3 and 6. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Which ones? 2 and 8. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Now what has happened? What all is there in the numerator? 1, 3, 1, 1. Remember one thing, after you reach 1, further cancellation is just not possible. Here is 1 and 1, here is 4 and 4, but no, you cannot cancel in the same line ever. These both are in the denominators. So we stop here and we straight away do 3 upon 4 into 4 is 16. This is your final answer. Look at the next one. I'm going to go a little faster now. I'm going to first take 5 and 15. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 3s are 15. Then I'm going to choose 7 and 14. 7 ones are 7, 2s are 14. Then I'm going to choose this 9 and 6. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Any further cancellation possible? Yes, I have this 3 here and this 3 here. I can cancel both by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Now when we know that all have come to 1, there is no further cancellation possible. So the final answer is 1 upon 4. Okay, the last one. Do you all want to try on your own? Pause the video, try the answer, and then see I'm putting up the solution anyway. That's all that we have in multiplication. Now we will see what is there in division. Okay, these are the kind of sums the division of fractions will have. There is no need to get worried at all when you look at the division sign. I'll just show you one easy step and all this will be a piece of cake, trust me. Now, whenever there is a division sign, you know the first step what you have to do? This is division. In the next step, instead of the division sign, you will put a multiplication sign exactly. So what I'm going to do is copy 35 upon 48 exactly as it is. Instead of this division sign, put multiplication and then reciprocal this. Reciprocal means write it exactly in the inverted form. So instead of 21 upon 16, I am going to say 16 upon 21. That is it. Now we have to treat this as a multiplication of fractions. Same thing. You don't even have to divide over here. So what was the step of multiplication? 16 and 48. Okay, I'll divide it by 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 6 are 48. 35 and 21, it is divisible by 7. 7 threes are and 7 fives are. 2 and 6 will still further cancel. 2 ones are and 2 threes are. So the final answer will be, what is remaining? 5, 1 in the numerator, 3 and 3 in the denominator. So 5 upon 9. That's all that is there in division, guys. Just remember to reciprocal the fraction right after the division sign. That's it. And don't do anything to the fraction which is below before the division sign. See in the question number 2 now, see what I'll do. 14 upon 27, write exactly as it is. Division sign, I am going to put multiplication. I will reciprocal 18 upon 7 instead of 7 upon 18. There is a multiplication sign here. Don't do anything to it. Same thing. Don't have to reciprocal this, okay? Because there's a multiplication sign already. So when do you reciprocal? Whenever there is a division sign here, exactly after that, whatever is a fraction, just write the exact opposite of it. 18 upon 7, you will write over here. Now what do? You treat this as a multiplication of fraction only. Okay. 18 and 27, I want to cancel by 9. 9 twos are, 9 threes are, 7 ones are and 7 twos are. 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 3 and 3 will cancel off. 2 ones are and 2 twos are. That's 8. So 1, 1, 1 is 1. 1, 1 and 2 is 2. Let us quickly do the third one also. Tell me which ones will reciprocal here. Only 2 fractions will reciprocal. One is this because it is after the division sign, and one is this which is after the division. Keep everything else the same. 25 upon 36 into 24 upon 15 into 9 upon 20 as it is, again into and reciprocal this also. Now treat this as multiplication. 5 fives are, 5 fours are. Anything I can choose provided one is numerator and one is denominator. I'm going to straight away divide this by 12. Now 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36. 3 threes are 9, 3 fives are 15, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4, 4. Too much of cancellation is happening, guys. This will go and this will go. 5 ones are 5 ones are. Is there any further cancellation possible? No. So the final answer is, what all is remaining here now? This has become 1. So 2 and 2. 2 twos are is 4 upon 3. Can we keep this as an improper fraction? We have to change it into mix. Okay, the very last one. Let us quickly see what all we have to reciprocal. 42 upon 55. There is no reciprocal over here because it's a multiplication sign. Here I will reciprocal because division. Again, no reciprocal because it's multiplication. Cancel off now. What all I will cancel? 21 ones and 21 twos are is 42. You can also cancel by a smaller number if you are comfortable doing that way. 21 ones are and twos are. 11 threes are and 11 fives are. 16 and 28. 4 sevens are 28. 4 fours are 16. Any further cancellation possible? Yes. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. What else? That's it. No other further cancellation is possible. We have to multiply the remaining numbers. They look quite big. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 fours are 32 upon 7 fives are 35 and 35 into 3. Okay, 35 threes is how much? 105. This is it, guys. Now I'm going to put up a test. I also have given you the final answer just next to the sums, okay? So if you try on your own, just see to it that your answer matches with those. And if you have got all 4 correct, just comment in the section below 4 out of 4. I'm bringing up the test now. Okay. Pause the screen, quickly take down the sums. These are the answers I have already provided. See to it that you get these. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I'm looking forward to seeing you very soon. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.